Alright guys, so in this video we're going to expand some logarithmic expressions, and I think you'll find this is very similar to what we just did, so it shouldn't be too much of a shock. Let me clear this stuff out and we will go to work. So we're going to expand log base 5 of x cubed y to the 6th. And I'll start right here. We're going to have log base 5 of x cubed y to the 6th. Well, we're going to use our first property, because since that is a product, we're going to separate this and write it as a sum. And it'll be sum of log base 5 of x cubed plus log base 5 of y to the 6th. And now we're going to use the third law and move these exponents out front and write 3 log 5x plus 6 log base 5y. And that one's done. And that's a pretty simple one, but it's a good one to get some practice on. And I think a lot of the problems you're going to run into are pretty simple like that one. All right, let's see what's next here. We got one more to do. Maybe it won't be too bad. Let's see. All right, so we're going to take this one, which is a natural log, and it has a product here, and it's divided by a cube root, which we'll note right quick. We're going to call that the 1/3 power. All right, and let's get in here and work on this one for a second. We've got the natural log of AB over the cube root of C. All right, the first thing we might do is just write this. Let's take care of this quotient. I mean, the person could say, well, this is the natural log of AB minus natural log of the cube root of C. And the reason I did that, well, that'll help us organize our thoughts with this sum. And this product, which we still have here, is being divided by this cube root C, log cube root C. All right, now we're going to separate this into a sum, and at the same step, so this is natural log of A plus natural log of B minus, let's call that to the 1/3. Well, I'll tell you what, I won't skip that step. Natural log of C, we'll call it to the 1/3 power. So the final answer here, we need to move that out front using the third law and write natural log of A plus the natural log of B minus 1/3 natural log C. And that's fully expanded. And I hope you find this helpful, and maybe you'll run into some of these and you can use this. I've got to, we got one more short video on the change of base formula, and so to definitely tune in for that in case you have an older calculator. The newer ones, you don't really need it as much, but I'm going to show you anyway. So thanks for tuning in. We'll see you in the next one.